We are holding the STREAM-0D meeting at the ZF factory in Gliwice, Poland. This is our last meeting before the final review meeting that will take place in 6 months. We have reviewed the different modules that have been developed and are being integrated in the production lines. I would like to highlight the digital twins that are able to predict in real time the key product indicators, as well as the recalibration modules that adjust the models based on the data gathered in the lines. And also the optimization modules that adjust the process parameters to yield products with 0 defects in the addressed KPIs. The models are being connected to the data gathering devices and to the actuators that control the process. And we have even developed virtual lines to test everything under a simulated environment before proceeding with the hard tests. Finally, we have planned the activities leading to the demo and evaluation of the improvements that will be carried out during the last months of the project.
For ZF, during the first 12 months of the project, ITAINNOVA and ZF developed knowledge-based models for 2 references of the reaction disk plus a ratio disk set, which were used to develop to the corresponding reduced order models. In the last quarter of the second year of the project, some schedule changes occurred at ZF production plant, leading to make some rework to adapt the already developed simulation models to the new ones produced after the changes. Using results provided by these detailed models, ECN and ITAINNOVA worked hard in the development of the 3 embedded ROMs. The booster simulation models were finalized and validated with results of experimental tests performed at the ZF production line, what became a promising starting point for the development of the optimization and recalibration algorithms. Today, the new measurement station, aka H-bubble station, is ready to produce data. The models are able to run at the base of the vacuum piston production line, recalibration algorithms are being implemented by IES, and the user interface is being finalized by LMS. We expect STREAM-0D solution to be ready for demonstration as a schedule between month 40 and month 42.
Concerning the Fersa pilot case, the first issue was the design and selection of the measurement equipment, which was developed by Fersa and LMS. It was discussed in the previous general meeting, although it has been now when Fersa has introduced the brand new control station, so-called Arania. Regarding models, previously it was presented the physical-based model to take into account the temperature effect on the dimensions of the ring, and its reduced order model to run in real time, developed between ITAINNOVA and ECN. Now, STAM has presented the correction algorithm that Fersa has eventually implemented in the line. These days, we have presented the data-driven model, which has been developed by ITAINNOVA and SETRI, to get predictive models which can fit automatically in the line, and algorithms to recognize some defect patterns. And finally, the main topic in the meeting has been the integration of the solution, performed by IES and STAM, as well as the definition of the testing and demonstration processes.
The standard profile test case deals with a continuous extrusion of rubber that undertakes several thermal treatments. So far, we have succeeded in building a cloud system to analyze manufacturing data and a virtual line model that mimics the behavior of the real one. This includes all the physical chemical behaviors of the rubber. With these 2 tools, we were able to validate offline optimal control strategies based on real-time digital twins. For the remaining 6 months, we face 2 main challenges. The first one is to deploy the procedures testing offline into the standard Profil manufacturing systems. The information generated by the STREAM-0D solution will be available for all the relevant actors within standard Profil, and we expect to have a positive assessment. The second challenge is to be able to scale up the approach and replicate for a new line the whole project in less than 1 month. We will back to you in the short term to show the final results.